Wednesday. Today I am showing you guys how I created this beautiful wreath, mesh wreath for my signage for the front door. I have a welcome sign that I purchased from Michael's. Got it on sale, yes. And just kind of show you guys the before and after. Hope everyone's having a great Wednesday. It'll be a week before October, guys, which means it'll be time for Halloween costumes and scary functions and fall decor. And I can't wait to see everyone's decor. I'm posting pictures, things like that. And we'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.